Look for the Gummy Bear album in stores on November 13th.
There I was, basically,
But isn't it a blessing to have someone care about you?
It's just one of those days where you don't want to wake up.
I was in love for the second time. She told me not to lie. He said,
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
The missile is very tired. He is eepy.
What? No, Mama.
The missile is very tired. He is eepy. The missile has had a very long day of splashing bandits and wants to take just a small sleep. He eeby and neebies to sleepy. Mibsile sleepy and need bed by time. The missile is currently experiencing critical levels of being a sleevey little guy and needs to go to bed. He is retired and needs to sleep.